Right. Back on Jordan's carburetor.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
I've already put our idle mixture screw and our idle speed screw back in our main body. So that's done. Got our nice gasket set here that I have yet to open. Damn, dude, did you finish? Are you okay? Did you hit yourself in a wee-wee?
No. Smash my fingers. That hurt.
All right, anyway. Got our nice gasket kit right here, ready to go. Got everything here, fresh and so clean. We're gonna begin our assembly. All right, so got the throttle body with the new gasket all situated, tightened down, screwed into the main body. That's assembled and ready to go. So far, so good on this end. All right. So we got our main jet and our power valve jet assembly in. Of course, Burnsy's making noise, so I'm trying to shoot video. Have our floats and our retainer. All that is in. I'm going to put our brand new needle and seat assembly in. Thanks, Burnsy. Okay, I'll tighten that up in a minute. All right. And then we're gonna work on our accelerator pump. So, our diaphragm and everything assembled here. Looks good. Carbs coming together.